Hello there traders, welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I'll speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on 8-hour time frame is that we got basically bull divergence and market hit again extreme here, the lower Keltner line, 2.5 ADRs. And if you combine the previous swing low and the current swing low, we can see there is a divergence basically on 8-hour time frame, which based on this time horizon, we can see the reaction back towards the recent swing high, let's say at 1.3124. We had a middle Keltner line at 1.3147, and we have the previous major swing high at 1.3182. So my advice will have to be to watch for buying opportunities short-term and from swing-term perspective. Today on the Europe session, we got nice open drive to the upside, so that can be a first and a very good confirmation that we can expect also rally going into the US session. So watch for buying opportunities today on the British pound versus US dollar, and you can also use the lower time frames to eventually watch for buying opportunities on the dips. Now, speaking of the gold market, after gold, after we reached the 2070 level, which was more climatic, market went to and marketed back towards the mean here, and we spent basically like consolidation here. But we can see that market is breaking downside this consolidation, so we can also use this proportion and basically add to this previous swing high, and this will be a 100% of the move. So basically I can see the gold to trade further lower and eventually to go to visit this area here around 1920. So there is also potential for the gold to establish this second downside leg if this is a first, and this might be a second one like this. So we have a previous swing lows and highs around this area, so 1920 level can be a very interesting level, and I see further downside based on this 8-hour time frame structure. So watch for selling opportunities. If we speak about the crude oil, we have a very similar example. We have a very, we had a divergence there on the top. Market made a higher high, but the momentum made a lower high, so we had some divergence and basically a strong sell-off started. Now, we didn't have any rejection for the mean. We went quite aggressively for the mean, which basically a very vertical move. And now we can see the market trying to take this key pivot low at 104 area. From my perspective, the next important pivot area is this. We've got a swing high at 99.83. And then we can also take the mean of this consolidation, right? And that will lead us all the way down to 91 level. So 99.85 I will say, and after that if we have even more power than 91.40. So definitely watch for selling opportunity this second down leg to develop. In terms of the Bitcoin is still in a very heavy consolidation around 39,000, and we're building more like a consolidation, more like a triangle here, So I think it will take time to develop further on the right side. So this is a heavy sideways, and market is just around the mean. So we like to let more time to this Bitcoin to create this bigger consolidation. Eventually, watch for breakout. That'll be all for this update. I hope you did enjoy, and have a great day. Trade safe as always, and see you next morning.